and welcome. I'm Sarah with GotSafety here with today's lesson on safety in power outages. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Power outages usually affect businesses in a variety of ways. The hazards associated with the outages and severity of the damage will depend on the size of the building and number of employees. As we discuss how to be prepared for power outages and safe work practices, keep in mind what you will need to do to remain safe at work. If you've ever experienced a power outage at home or at work, it can be a bit disconcerting and even disorienting. Knowing how to be prepared may at least help you remain calm and be able to assist others that are in need of your help. The following emergency supplies should be kept on hand. They include, but are not limited to, fresh batteries and flashlights, a portable battery-powered radio, non-perishable food and water, cash, since ATMs may not work, a cell phone or hardwire single-line telephone, and always make sure you have basic emergency supplies available. Once you understand how to be prepared for an electricity outage, you may benefit from learning other safe work practices. Every work environment is different, and each place you work may have more specific rules on what to do in the event of a power outage. So, these are simple, general guidelines. If you have any questions about the following, please see your supervisor. Employees should know how to open and close any electric security gates. Become familiar with and follow.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.